When it comes to everyday carry, durability isn't just a bonus, it's the whole point. In this video, we're diving into 7 heavy-duty EDC tools engineered with aerospace-grade materials and built to handle years of real-world use without compromise. From rugged multifunction gear like the BIBURY Multitool Pliers Pro BI 2045 to precision-crafted essentials like the BASTION bolt-action pen and ultra-tough titanium accessories, every item on this list is designed for strength, reliability, and long-term performance. If you're serious about gear that won't fail when you need it most, you're in the right place. Choosing a multi-tool? Don't settle for basic, get professional grade. Most pocket multi-tools claim versatility but lack durability and functionality. Cheap models have fixed cutters, dull blades, limited screwdrivers. They often rust, break under heavy use, disappoint outdoorsmen. Compare that to BIBURY Multitool Pliers Pro BI 2045. 1-in-1 compact design replaces multiple single-use tools effortlessly. Pliers, scissors, bottle opener, ruler, files, everything included. Biggest upgrade? Replaceable YG10 tungsten wire cutters and saw. Swap blades fast to tackle wood, metal, or rope. Extra replacement cutter included for long-term heavy-duty use. Body crafted from 3Ca13 high-hardness stainless steel. That means corrosion resistance and dependable field performance. Compare screwdriver capability. Included 1/6 in 1-bit set. Covers most needs. Bits, Torx, Phillips, slotted, hex, nearly every fastener handled. Compact folded size fits pocket with the supplied nylon sheath. Weight and portability beat bulkier single-function tools on trips. Real-world demo. Cutting mild steel hardware with YG10 cutters. Result? Clean cuts where ordinary cutters quickly dull. Demo. Folding saw versus fixed miniature saws for camp tasks. Interchangeable saw handles wood efficiently. Less wobble, more control. Construction quality. Reinforced pivot. Solid lock. Precise tool deployment. Versatility. Camping, hiking, fishing, garage repairs, and DIY projects. Who benefits most? Campers, outdoor enthusiasts, and DIYers. Gift ready. Ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, and practical occasions. Buying advice? Choose replaceable cutters for longevity and maintenance. Look for 3CR13 steel and YG10 cutter specifications when comparing. If you need durable, versatile gear, this is a top pick. Final summary. 31 tools, replaceable cutters, robust stainless construction. Practical, portable, and built for harsh outdoor conditions. Grab the BIBURY Multitool Pro, now upgrade your outdoor toolkit. I still remember Dad fixing everything with a pocket tool. A small gesture that meant safety, pride, and comfort. Now I give him something worthy of that memory. Meet the EDC Pry-Bar Multitool, our tiny powerhouse. Heavy-duty steel body fits neatly in a pocket. It doubles as crowbar, box opener, and bottle opener. Built-in wrenches handle bolts, tires, and quick fixes. A bi-directional ratchet screwdriver hides inside the slim frame. 360. Degree rotating compartment stores, Phillips and flathead bits. Reverse the ratchet effortlessly for tightening or loosening. There's also a replaceable 25mm driver for tougher jobs. An everlasting magnetic pen sits snug in its slot. Fireproof, waterproof, and smashproof right through any adventure. Take notes, sign receipts, sketch maps in the wild. Slim, CNC machined stainless steel built for everyday toughness. Compact 145x26x9mm profile keeps it unobtrusive in pockets. Removable back clip secures it to belt or pocket. Perfect for campers, cyclists, mechanics, and everyday heroes. Imagine fixing a flat, opening a box, writing directions, all within one pocket-sized companion you can trust. It feels like handing over confidence and readiness. A thoughtful gift for him, husband, dad, boyfriend. Perfect for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, or simple surprises. The box arrives beautiful, practical, and ready to gift. Every feature feels intentional, durable, and designed for life. You won't search drawers for bits or pens again. Carry it daily. And watch how small things change. It's not just metal, it's peace of mind. Give the gift that fixes, opens, writes, and comforts. Order now and make someone's everyday carry a little extraordinary. It was midnight. The trail swallowed every sound and light. My phone died, stars hid, and I felt alone. Then, a tiny glow appeared on my anxious keychain. I clipped it on compact, metal, unassuming beast of light. Meet the Blukar Mini EDC flashlight. Pocket-sized luminous power. 360 lumens punch through the dark with focused intensity. 3 modes let me whisper or flood the path. I tapped medium for campsite tasks, then low for maps. Its memory function returned me to the last setting. During a sudden rainstorm, its IPX6 housing held strong. Aluminum body felt feather-light, yet built for rough use. I clipped it to my pack. It never weighed. USB-C recharge saved me 2 hours. Back to full. Green light glowed proud. Red warned when charge dwindled. 130 mAh battery lasted through late-night navigation and repairs. In a roadside tire change, the beam revealed every bolt. Its 4 8-meter throw made distant roots and rocks visible. When my dog bolted, the bright flood calmed us instantly. The switch doubles as indicator, simple, smart, reassuring design. Turn off with a long press or quick double tap. I trust its 1.5 meter drop resistance on rough trails. Perfect for hikers, EDC fans, campers, and night commuters. It survived a seaside storm, no corrosion, no worry. Keyring loop means instant access, clipped, pocketed, always there for emergencies. Its flip port cover keeps the USB-C socket safe from dirt. Whether fixing gear or reading maps, it becomes indispensable. I carry 2 redundancy for longer trips and shared use. Small enough to forget, strong enough to save the night. If you value preparedness, this tiny torch changes outcomes. Grab a Blukar, clip it, charge it, and light your path. Choosing a pen? Compare cheap plastic versus precision titanium. Plastic pens break, smear, and feel flimsy in your hand. Standard metal pens look good but degrade at seam joints. EDC pens often sacrifice durability for lower manufacturing tolerances. Now compare. BASTION Bolt Action Pen, built for lasting performance. 100% Ti6Al4V. Titanium body resists corrosion, heat, wear. Zero seam design eliminates weak joints found on many pens. Precision CNC bolt action deploys instantly with secure tactile lock. One-handed operation beats fiddly caps and twist mechanisms every time. Robust metal cartridge prevents leaks and protects your paperwork. Compatible with universal G2 refills, easy replacement, reliable performance. Compare balance. Weighted titanium gives smoother handwriting and stability. Length and weight tuned. 5.31 inches, 1.6 ounces. Ideal. Pocket clip is deep and secure. Prevents accidental loss. Visual demo. Seamless brushed finish versus visible seams elsewhere. Hyperbolt model shows smooth anodized coating and tactile bolt action. Stainless variant emphasizes industrial machining and premium presentation box. Durability test. Titanium survives drops, compression, and harsh environments. Everyday use. Professionals, students, outdoor users, executives all benefit. Gift-ready packaging adds polish for corporate and executive gifting. Serviceable components mean the pen lasts years, not months. Compare costs. Higher initial price yields long-term value and reliability. We prioritize customer satisfaction and resolve issues quickly, efficiently. Buying advice. Choose titanium for daily carry and heavy use. Choose stainless variant for classic industrial look and heft. Choose Hyperbolt Zero Seam for a sleeker, seamless, anodized feel. Quick recap. Titanium construction, CNC bolt, leak-proof cartridge, presentation box, perfect for gifting, EDC, executives, engineers, and outdoor professionals. Final verdict. BASTION delivers premium durability, precision, and everyday reliability. Tap the link now to choose your BASTION Bolt pen. I still remember losing my keys on a rainy morning. That panic felt like the day fell apart suddenly. Then I found the TISUR titanium round carabiner now. It's unbelievably light, half lighter than stainless steel. Only 12.5 grams, barely noticeable in your pocket. Made from titanium alloy strong, heat and corrosion resistant. Used in aviation and medicine for trusted, proven durability. Sandblasted matte finish gives it simple, elegant sophistication. One-piece spring clip resists loosening and deformation reliably. Clip interlock ensures your keys never slip away again. Compact 36mm outer diameter, perfect for daily carry needs. Includes stainless steel D-ring for versatile, reliable attachments. Comes with a tiny screwdriver, practical and thoughtful detail. Low profile, snag-free, fits key fobs, backpacks, belt loops. Designed for everyday carriers, hikers, travelers and busy commuters. No more frantic searches, no more hurried mornings anymore. Sandblasted surface feels comforting in my hand always. Titanium strength gives me peace when I'm on roads. It became part of daily rituals, like a friend. A simple, thoughtful gift for loved ones anytime. Corrosion resistant, ideal for boats, kayaks, and adventures too. Detachable rings and swivel clip make customizing effortless every day. The little teardrop compass adds warmth and quiet orientation. One-piece spring-back control keeps everything secure, always reliably. Ultralight design lets you carry confidence without extra burden. Quick release saves seconds that matter every busy morning. It turns small routines into calm, steady moments now. I trust it with my keys and memories. Choose reliability wrapped in minimalist, elegant design today. Get the TISUR Titanium Carabiner. Simplify your everyday. My pockets betrayed me at the worst possible moment. Coins, loyalty cards, receipts exploded like confetti in every taxi. I missed my train because my wallet was a hazard. Embarrassment peaked fumbling for a single card in chaos. Everyone watched. My life felt permanently overflowing and heavy. I thought slim meant paper-thin wallets that tore immediately. I believed more pockets equals smarter organization wrong. Then I found the Magpul DAKA Essential Tactical Slim. At first glance, matte black, ultra-thin, impossibly sleek profile. But it wasn't style alone. It hid serious engineering. Reinforced polymer fabric, RF welded seams built to survive anything. Anti-slip texture grips pockets, rounded corners slide in effortlessly. Two-pocket design, single pocket for IDs, dual pocket for cards. Holds 3 IDs, 3 credit cards, 3 folded bills comfortably. Up to 7 cards, 0 bulk, maximum focus on essentials. Clear ID window for badge swipe without exposing every other card. Chemical-resistant, non-hygroscopic polymer resists weather, sweat, accidental spills. No printing, no bulge cards, stay hidden and protected. I tested it through commutes, rain, crowded subway chaos. Pull it out. Calm instead of frantic fumbling and shame. Fits front pocket. You forget you even carry a wallet. Tactical enough for range kits, refined enough for suits. Minimalists rejoice it enforces restraint, rewards simplicity daily. Commuters win swipe in seconds. Move with confidence. EDC enthusiasts appreciate durability. Engineered down to 3 mm. The twist? Less is actually more when designed intentionally. You carry fewer cards, gain faster mornings, and calmer pockets. No more digging, no lost cards, no awkward delays. Get the Magpul DAKA Essential Slim, simplify your carry. Click now. Upgrade to effortless pockets and focused living. Tired of bulky knives that destroy pocket comfort and balance? Struggling with dull blades that can't pierce or slice precisely? One-hand opening that jams or feels gritty and unsafe? Clips that snag, print, or make pockets uncomfortable all day? Handles that slip, causing poor control during detailed tasks? Worry about corrosion and blade wear outdoors or on job sites? Collecting multiple knives because one doesn't fit every need? Fear of unreliable warranty support when defects appear? Needing precision thin point piercing without risking blade flex or break? Desire discreet EDC that disappears in pocket when commuting? CIVIVI Praxis features a 0, 1, 2 inch thin, stone-washed drop point blade. Thin blade provides precise piercing and controlled detail cuts. 9 Car 1, 8 Movi corrosion-resistant steel keeps edge and resists rust. Caged ceramic ball bearings ensure ultra-smooth, fast blade deployment. Flipper mechanism allows reliable one-handed opening under pressure. Secure liner lock maintains blade stability during tough work. Ergonomic Cubortia wood handle scales offer comfort and control. Deep carry reversible pocket clip makes the knife discreetly portable. Slim profile and balanced design avoids pocket bulge and snagging. Lifetime warranty provides local CIVIVI USA support for defects. Everyday carriers get a near-invisible, dependable EDC companion. Outdoor enthusiasts gain corrosion-resistant cutting for camping and hiking. Tradespeople benefit from solid lockup and precise piercing performance. Smooth ball-bearing action makes one-handed tasks effortless and safe. Comfortable wood handle reduces fatigue during extended use. Deep carry clip keeps knife hidden, professional, and pocket-friendly. Slim, thin point blade excels at opening, trimming, precision cutting. Reliable liner lock and durable steel protect during tough fieldwork. Compact size with solid performance makes it a daily essential. Buy CIVIVI Praxis for dependable EDC backed by lifetime guarantee. That was our lineup of 7 heavy-duty EDC tools built to last a lifetime gear that combines smart design with materials you can truly depend on. Whether it's the versatility of a multi-tool, the resilience of a titanium clip like the TISUR titanium carabiner, or the everyday reliability of the CIVIVI Praxis folding knife, each piece is made to earn its place in your daily carry. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tough, practical EDC gear breakdowns.